Today we're going to be adding color to our snowmen. You can use any coloring supplies you have: markers, crayons, colored pencils, or even watercolors. I'm going to start by using my Sharpie to add some snowy hills in my background. So you can add a few little layers of hills, and you can even add snowballs on top of that hill if you would like. I'm first going to show you a marker crayon combo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my markers to outline. So I'm going to use a blue marker, and underneath each line that is snow, I'm going to color it blue. So I would do that on my hills, along the body, on the snowballs, just one side, and then around the head. This gives the snow kind of like a shadow. Once you have all your blue finished for your snow, you can pick some colors and designs to add to your scarf. So I'm going to pick a pattern. Any pattern, a line pattern, a shape pattern, to add to my scarf using my Sharpie. I'm adding a zigzag. I make sure that my pattern turns as my scarf turns. You are also going to add a type of pattern to either your hat, or for me, I'm doing it on my earmuffs. It does not need to be the same pattern you used for your scarf. Now we can pick some colors. So I'm going to pick 2 colors for my scarf and about 2 or 3 for my hat. They can be the same or they can be different. Don't forget to pick out an orange for your carrot nose. I'm using red and yellow, maybe purple, nope, green. And then I might even repeat that red and yellow in the hat so that they kind of match. So for my carrot nose, just like with my snow, I'm going to outline first, and then I'm going to make sure to go over those groove lines that I added. I make sure I put my top all the way back on, and then I'm ready for my scarf. Put the top on the back, and I'm going to begin outlining each space. Because I'm going to do a color pattern, I will first outline my red, and then my next space will be my yellow. Now, if you go back and forth each time, that can take a while. Instead, you can do all the spaces that you want, the one color, then go back and grab the next color and do all of those spaces. You will see that's what I'll do with this yellow to complete that pattern. Now that my scarf is completed, I'm going to work on my earmuffs. I want them to kind of match, so I'm going to use a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow in my earmuffs as well. But I'm first starting with my green. Again, just like with my scarf and all the other pieces, I outline, and then we'll find out in a little bit how we will go in and add that color. So now that your whole thing is outlined, you can use crayons to color in the spaces. So in the green spaces, I want to color in with green. In the red spaces, I would color in with red. The only places you don't have to color in is the blue areas where the snow is, because snow isn't really blue. You can do your sky. I'm doing my sky like a sunset. And there I have my winter snowman. You can also do yours in just marker or just watercolor or just crayon or color pencil. The options are endless.